This is the first time this ever has happened to me. I'm pretty sure it happened to a bunch of you guys.
Real quick, you definitely got the shaft on this one.
Look at the half shaft, bro. Snapped it clean off. Look at the fucking
part is,
hold on, let me zoom in on this.
This was still inside the trans, so you couldn't tell
that it was broken.
Yo, look, snapped it clean. All right, let me see the part of the half shaft. Snapped it.
Look at how much fucking look at the way the shit's sheared. It's fucking insane.
That just shows you guys how sticky the track was. This half shaft's been in the car. I get it, it's old. It's been in the car for a long time.
the clip. I don't know if anybody was recording, but I walked out of one of my shoes. Walking up
I
to
think
the line.
I have it. I was laughing at you the whole time. I think I might have it, but he walked out of his Yeezys right at the line. I just started dying. I was like, that Yeezy is gone. But yeah, that's what happened to me. The half shaft. I'm hoping to take the car back out this weekend though, but I don't know yet.
This whole time I didn't know that wasn't a DSS.
Yeah.
For you guys that know what, this is an OEM half shaft.
Old. Really
From when
old.
me and you first put this car together, like
12 years, 13 maybe.
Almost
Like
14 years
15,
ago.
14 years.
And that's how many passes have you got on this?
A lot. This
Over
half
like a
shaft,
couple hundred passes on this half shaft.
Cause I preloaded
You know,
my
it could
car.
be preload.
I preloaded a lot.
Jamie, I blame this on you.
I told Jamie I do not want to dump the clutch. I don't want to dump the. No, dump it's fine. I dump it all the time. Like, no, because you have a DSS shit, but this shit right here, this shit cost me a raise. It is what it is.
And then you're lucky too, because I
was supposed to wear that.
You got eliminated before
I was supposed to wear that hot dog costume. I got out of it just like J-Rock did.
What happened with Jamie? What's his excuses? He was supposed to wear it too.
I didn't make it too far down though.
He did his thing too, and so he got out of it.
You know what the best part is though? Honestly, like just going out having fun, and the car's coming back home in one piece. They both still run. Everything is still fine. Like that's
I think
that's
the
a
only
good day of
one-
racing.
It is.
I feel like out of the whole World Cup thing, I think I won the event because I didn't have to drop this fucking trans for the 4th time.
Yo, you ain't lying.
Yo, what's your honestly over the weekend, this whole past week, like what was your favorite part of the week?
Honestly, I love the racing, but like now that we're doing the YouTube thing and like they see like the builds, like the interaction with people, like just talking to them, like that was probably the best feeling. Definitely like a highlight of the whole week of World Cup.
Definitely.
Yeah, like people coming up to you, like just bullshitting, and
That was awesome.
And in a range of like, I didn't even know, like people come up to us like, yo, my kids watch you guys. You got kids from 8 years old, and you got some gentleman that like I've talked to that are a lot older, like in their 60s or so, and then just to hear them talk to us and saying like, yo, you guys are motivating, or you guys sparked motivation in us to go. They have guys, you guys have cars in the garage. You're like, oh, I want to rebuild my car now from watching you guys. So that stuff to us, like I said, is really, really dope. And then letting some of the kids sit in the car over the week.
Yeah, that was great. And one of the best parts about going to World Cup is seeing the other racers that you haven't seen in a while. Like the guys from Speed Factory, everybody from the West Coast, Jason FCS, like I'm just pointing out some names. But the people that you haven't seen all year, that you only talk to on Instagram, and you finally get to put a face to that name is like great. Like I think it's one of the best feelings. Like those people are awesome. Like everyone that you meet from like different states is like, it's super dope. It's like one of the best feelings. Especially people you haven't seen in a while that you raced with before and you like racing them, like it's super dope. Like I love it. But cars in one piece.
I'm gonna wash it tomorrow.
No, I don't want my car washed.
no, you gotta let him wash.
Nah, I ain't letting him wash my shit.
I'm gonna wash it.
I might. It's a last track day of the year. Is this upcoming weekend? I might take my car there just to see what it does. So I didn't get it.
Honestly, part of me watching it too is I just want to make sure you're safe in the fucking car. We had a big oil spill. You don't know where the shit is sitting. You're going 180 miles an hour in the car. Like, that's fucking fast. So I just want to make sure you're safe. And for you guys that are watching out there, make sure your car is safe. Double check your cars. Make sure your cages are welded, inserted. And
Diapers.
How many roofs have you took off so far that weren't welded underneath the roof?
like the cages.
I haven't done one that was fully welded, which is pretty sad. And
It is. That's your life on the line.
You guys that are watching, you guys are going that fast. You gotta
Make sure your fabricator's on point.
The thing is like you might think you have a great fabricator, but I don't know.
We've seen some of the best people not weld their cages fully, and what I mean by that is underneath of your roof here, the cage bar that goes up, make sure it's fully welded all the way around, everywhere. Because I seen Jared take some roofs off, man. Your favorite fabricator may not be your favorite fabricator, but just keep that in mind. I'm gonna end this video, World Cup recap official. Hopefully we take the car back out, but race season is almost over. It's gonna be build season. Check out the shop is lit.
We got some builds too.
We got hella builds.
Yeah, you guys stay tuned because these next 3 builds, I'm telling you, you guys want to make sure you guys are watching.
And we're gonna get full content on it, right? Like,
yes.
Full.
Start to finish, like even if you're bored, like of what we're doing, why are they showing us take out these stupid old bolts or something? Like we're gonna show you guys everything on these next builds for sure.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys.